Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up and use parental controls in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to Accounts. Now scroll down and click on Family. Here you can see Add someone to family group and allow them to sign in on this device. Click on Add someone. Here you have to give some informations. Now you have to click on Create one for a child. Now give your email and other informations. So this is how you can set up and use parental control in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.